Oh, hi everybody, here again, back at you with another video. I just received in the post this month's horror block, so I thought I'd open it up. I did take the tape off to make it easier. So it's my first horror block. I'm wearing the shirt from the classic block I received. Kind of a little odd that I received this before I got my welcome block from this order. It is on its way, but I guess I was just in time to catch this one before they shipped. So I got this first. So we get a shirt. She looks like a kick-ass shirt. I'll wear this one too. So there's a shirt. That is awesome. So Jason, and his skull and crossbones with his mask, and I love the forest silhouette this mask makes too. So that is a super cool design. Again, I believe the other one was, I believe this one too was Shirt Punch. So that's what this one is. Super cool shirt. Love the design, so definitely wearing that next. Then next in here, we have Chucky. I'm suffocating. So we got Chucky with his blade and everything. So it's a Bride of Chucky plush. I love that. He's amazing. His hair's all flat back. He could be rocking out. So, yep, that's Chucky. We have in here Argento's Dracula, The Legend Rises. So I don't think I've ever seen this one. This is horrible on it, so I'm guessing it might be exclusive. I'm not entirely certain, but I've never seen this movie, so definitely watch that. But yeah, it tells the traditional story of Dracula with him fighting Van Helsing and everything. Um, the image looks really cool. I always love when they have him turn into bats or have bats fight with him. Especially because in original lore, he can transform into a bat as well as other animals, including a wolf. So it's always cool when they like tie that in. Because sorry, how kick-ass is that? You have a creature that can transform into like any fucking animal, and like half the time the only thing you ever do is you turn him into a bat. It's usually one bat. And it's like, really? So maybe according to the picture they'll use thousands of bats because it's always a cool image. Then we have a mouse poster. I don't actually use a mouse very often, but it's still cool looking. The thing that's always annoying is like when they put like a logo in it, so it's less like authentic looking, but it's pretty cool looking. Doesn't be cool to have like horror block at the back maybe, and put just left it more that antique look. But yeah, it's a cool mouse pad. And I don't know what this is. The Rube Morgue Library. Rube magazines, cryptic collectibles. So it's so this is basically like a catalog of creepy collectibles and information about them. It looks like talks about like all the classics. Some of these are really cool. It has so, Gumma the Tarot. It has him. Looks like an interview with him. So I'll definitely read that over. Looks cool. Even has pops in it. That. And then we get a poster. It's a small poster, so it didn't get destroyed in the box, which I like. Doesn't get rolled or anything. But you still get a lot of detail. It's really cool. Like Walking Dead, like more zombies. Night of the Living Dead looks like is in there. And then you have, of course, zombie Michael Jackson. So that's cool. And that is basically it in the box. There's not really a lot in this boxes usually. So then it talks about the childhood bus. And it tells you about the other products as well. And then it talks about next month horror block. And it's bringing an item from the Twilight Zone. It's also going to bring something from Sharknado and Rube Morgue in another ref. So I might just stick with this one. I think I don't know if I'm going to keep the classic block. I think I'll just keep the horror block. Just because I like horror mod items a little bit better. And I still get my loot crate for kind of mix items. And the Twilight Zone definitely piques my interest. I freaking love the Twilight Zone, so yeah, that's cool. So that's it from our block. It was actually fun. So it's fun at home at the same time. Same day I got my other package from eBay, which they match my shirt. But I picked these up just because I love these things. So I got two tops, Gremlins. So I got regular Gremlins and Gremlins 2, the new batch. I love the packages themselves. And it was odd enough that they actually have the gum still in them. I've never bought packs that actually were sealed and had the gum still in them. And I love the back of this one. Has a ring pop ad. The most exciting new lollipop idea for fun since the invention of candy. Pretty sure there are cooler lollipops out there, especially now. But yeah, ring pops was cool, kids. Actually, I remember back when it was totally cool to pop around, sucking your finger. And I had like the baby bottle pop, which was like, okay. So I always open them up carefully because I don't want to destroy the packaging and have to come back on the packaging. But yeah, let's see where the gum was on that for so long. I said usually people take out the gum, so it's been long since taken out and everything. So yep, I love the. I always love these things. So yeah, you get the gum. It's still pink, but it's all brittle and cracking and everything. Falling apart everywhere. Yeah, so that's interesting to see. It was interesting to see the gum still in both of them. Legit, both packs. They both came from the same person, so I'm guessing you could label them as new, so pretty much means they were never opened. So I'm guessing they were just never opened, and they almost kept in. So I am going to take the gum out though, so I don't have to continue to kind of mess with the cards. I'm not going to eat it, just because this is from 80s, 90s. As much as the gum would probably not poison me, I wonder, like, does it taste like disgusting? Yeah, it's not even gum anymore. It is legit solidified. So, it doesn't taste disgusting. Just has no taste whatsoever, and it's solidified. So it's just So it's just basically that's why it's falling apart. So yeah, you can't really get poisoned from something like that. But especially something like this is my pipeline. I've eaten like 10-year-old bags. I've ate when I was a kid once. We had pretzels that they're Halloween pretzels that had been sitting in the cupboard for I think over a year, like 2 years or something, and they were stale as shit, but I still was like, whatever, I'll eat them. So yeah, nothing happened there. It's old. It's not gonna do what it's supposed to do. So definitely, as I said, it's brittle. It's hard. It's lost all its tackiness. It's all gone. So yeah, it's not really edible anymore. I don't think gum's really edible. It's more just we're gonna chew the substance, and then if you happen to swallow it, it's not gonna hurt you. Contrary to belief, I hate when people say, "Oh my God, don't swallow it, you're gonna die," or it's like, no, it just passes through your system normally. So yeah, I was excited to get the Topps cards. I like mix them up. Luckily, they're different colors, so I don't have to worry about mixing them up. I put them back in their packages. But yeah, it was a coincidence that those happened to come the same time my heart block did. So yeah, just how it worked. But yeah, thanks for watching, and peace out.